We usually talk about the shoot day, the energy, the chaos, the couple. But what you don't see is what happens before all that. For Sakshi's and Ankit's wedding, we had a full team syncing across Kochi, Mumbai, and Dubai. Multiple meetings, long hours, just to get the shoot planned right. Every frame we imagine, every angle we prep. It all starts in rooms like this: whiteboards, mood boards, Zoom calls, assignments. This is how it works when you're chasing something special. And then the haldi turned wild. Color, water, everything flying. But no one panicked. Everyone knew where to be. That's the point of planning. Not to control everything, but to be ready when it all shifts. The main events were supposed to happen during sunset. Delays pushed it all to the night. No lights, no prep for that. But we had the Canon R5 Mark IIs and they came through. You might see a beautiful wedding film, but behind it, there are 15 to 20 people thinking in the same direction. Different roles, same dream. We do it because it means something, because it lasts, and because we know it will live in their lives forever. This is Sakshi and Ankit. This is Behind the Magic, Episode 2.